course, everybody is calling us as well. Now, hopefully, as somebody goes on, they can get something.
And what about my desperate to smell? I don't think I'll have to school my
I think that's got to be wishful thinking.
I just be with you.
Well, today is the official anniversary of man landing on the moon. Thank you very much for your lovely comments, by the way, about our very special moon show on Friday. We enjoyed it, didn't we?
Thoroughly enjoyed it. There was a scene of the bouncing spaceman. He was attached to a wire there, trying to prove the whole thing was a hoax. And we had proper real-life moon rock on the show and our own rocket launch.